Oh, Mr. Banana. Oh, Mr. Baloney too.
Bear, we gotta do the card trick.
No.
Bear, you know how I love to build robots, right?
Yes.
I actually have a robot kit. Kids can do their own robotics. This is a robot that I made out of a lunch bag. There's electronics inside. It can find whatever card you pick. I'm gonna have Bear pick one of these cards. All the cards are different. Good, you got it, Bear? Put it back in there. Stick it inside the middle here. And we're gonna see if the robot can find the card. Bear! Do you remember the card that you picked? All right, we're gonna see. I turn the switch on. Mr. Robot, can you hear me right now? It says yes. Mr. Robot, do you wanna help me with a card trick with me and Bear? He says yes. Mr. Robot, was the card that Bear picked the Jack of Diamonds? Was it a Queen of Hearts? Do you have any idea what card Bear picked? Oh my goodness. Can you still help me with the card trick? He says yes. Watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna toss the cards in with air. Watch, ready, set. Woo!